friends, hello and welcome to my channel Garden Woods. So today's topic is about my plant haul. What summer plants I had bought. So you can see I had arranged. So yes, let's start. My first purchase is this balloon flower, and it has two plants. One is this blue color and the second one is white color. I planted them both in one pot because they were very small and I didn't have small planters left, so I had planted them in this 6-inch pot. So this I had got one plant for 30 rupees each, and so yes, I don't know if it's a perennial plant or it's a seasonal plant. I'm not sure about it because this is the first time I'm growing. I have added to my garden. Hope it does well, and if it's a seasonal plant, I'll try to collect seeds of this plant so that I can grow in my next season. And again tell, seasonal plants are plants which will which will complete their whole life cycle in one season and they will die. So one should not feel that bad because they are completing their life cycle in one season, and we should plant some seasonal plants just to attract pollinators and to feed them. So it's an important part of our earth, and being individual, we should plant some seasonal plants to support and feed all bees and butterflies and to attract them in my garden. So this is my first purchase. My second, I'll go with flowering plants first, and then I will start with all the herbs what I had bought. This is dianthus. These dianthus are mostly winter or spring flowering plants, but they do well for the whole season. No, not for the whole season, for the whole year. These flowering plants are a type of annuals, you can say, and they can flower for the whole 1 year or maybe more than a year also. I think I had one dianthus before. When I was living in my hometown, there it is still there. It's almost 2.5 years and it's still there, and so I have added this as well. So let's see how much it will be there in my garden. I'm not sure about how it will do in my garden because in winters we don't get sun, so it's a zero sun. So let's see. I will try my best to keep this plant happy and healthy. My next plant is, I can see there's a caterpillar in my plant. I was talking about pollinators, and here I can see a caterpillar. I will show you. These are aster plants and these are seasonal plants. I will show you the caterpillar. Can you see here? Hello dude, how are you? Feeding on my plant. So it's a caterpillar. This is not a pest that I would remove. It's okay if it feeds on my plant. So these are the flowers I had bought: asters, balloon flower and dianthus, and also I had bought some cosmos seeds. So you can plant them now and it will start flowering in maybe after 1.5 months after you plant it. So hope it grows well and it cover my summer garden. So these are sun-loving plants and these are really beautiful plants. You can also collect seeds if you get pollinators and you get seeds of this plant. Sometimes I try to collect seeds from my own garden so that I can grow in the other season. Yes, these are cosmos seeds. My next purchase is this peppermint. This is my first time I am growing this peppermint. I have grown mint and other stuff, but peppermint I haven't tried, and I don't know where I will use it. But yes, it's a herb and it's a plant. So I had bought this peppermint. Let's see. I have to, I have to Google where to use how to use peppermint. My second herb is, okay, so this is my mint plant. This is a common mint what I use a lot in my summer drinks. I make mint tea as well. um, you can also make mint tea. It really tastes well, very delicious. You can just boil water, add some mint in it, add some ginger slices, add a pinch of cinnamon powder, and cover it. And after 5 minutes, you can just drink that tea. If you want, you can also add some jaggery to it for sweetness. Also, you can make that tea and put it in fridge um, for making some cold uh, tea for yourself. You can also add green tea leaves if you want. I don't add green tea, I just love it mint and ginger and cinnamon taste. You can also add lemon as well. I sometimes add lemon. uh, my next one is this rosemary plant. So this rosemary I was searching for ages. I was not able to find this rosemary. Finally I have got one, and this rosemary is very good for your hairs. So I generally use rosemary leaves. I buy rosemary leaves from online sites, and I put it in warm virgin coconut oil, and I put that bottle with rosemary leaves, coconut oil. I put it in a glass jar, and that glass jar I put it for almost a week in a sunlight, and then I use that coconut oil for my hairs. I think I am using this rosemary hair oil for almost 3 to 4 years, and it really works. When I started losing my hair due to maternity, so someone told me to use rosemary oil, and it really works. So I have got my rosemary plant now. So this is my small plant haul. Hope you enjoy. Hope you like my video, and if you like, then kindly hit the like button. If you want, then kindly put some comments. It really motivates me. And have great weekend. Have great day ahead. Thank you so much.